Delicious.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rochelle Antonetti with Dave Wilson Nursery. We're here today with Harbir Singh and Jared, Shane, and Zeb from CAL FIRE, which is the local fire station here in the city of Paradise. We are volunteering, putting in new fruit trees at the Paradise Elementary School here in Paradise, California. And as many of you know, this community has suffered devastating losses due to fires in the last couple of years. And we were approached by the Campfire Restoration Project to bring trees to this community and participate in restoring and rebuilding this community. Dave Wilson Nursery has brought several hundred trees up to this community, and they will be delivered to various homeowners throughout the community. Where they can replant and become backyard farmers again up here in this area. We're thankful for these firemen and all that they have done to support this community. We recognize the struggles that they have all faced in the last few years, and we are so thankful for their service. And it's such an honor to join you all today in helping rebuild your community. So thank you again to April and the Campfire Restoration Project for asking us to participate in this beautiful sunny day here. We also have Olivia Antonetti, who's volunteering with us in this community project. So thank you.
And cut.